Hello students, I am Muhammad Asim, your English teacher. So, I am going to teach you English. In English, I have taken the subject English grammar. The subject is English grammar that I am going to teach you today. And the topic is conjunctions. The topic that I have taken today for teaching you is conjunctions. So, what is a conjunction? Conjunctions are the words that are used to join two or more than two words, clauses or sentences. Conjunctions are the words that are used to join two or more than two words, clauses or sentences. For example, we can say that he is brave and honest. Here the conjunction is used and it is used to join two words that is said about he, brave and honest. So and is the conjunction here. We can say I am late because there was traffic. There was traffic jam. There was traffic, you can say. So we have used here because is used to join two sentences. There was traffic, I am late. So in the same way, we can use the conjunctions for joining two words, two clauses or two sentences. Let us see types of conjunctions. Types of conjunctions. There are three types of conjunctions. There are three types of conjunctions. Number one, coordinating conjunctions. Number two, subordinating conjunctions. And number three, correlative conjunctions. So there are three types of conjunctions. Number one, coordinating conjunctions. Number two, subordinating conjunctions. Number three, correlative conjunctions. So let us see these conjunctions one by one. First of all, coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are used to join two words of same, you can say same rank. Two words or two sentences, two words, two sentences or two clauses of same rank or same order. You can also say that coordinating conjunctions are used to join two coordinating clauses. Sometimes we use more of the times we use two coordinating clauses with the help of coordinating conjunctions. We can also join two words, two or more than two words. We can also add two or more than two clauses with the help of coordinating conjunctions. But if we are going to use, if we are going to add two or more than two clauses with the help of coordinating conjunctions, those clauses must be coordinating clauses. Perhaps you have studied about types of sentences. In types of sentences, you have studied about simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. We use the coordinating clauses in compound sentences. We use the subordinating conjunctions in complex sentences. So coordinating conjunctions are used to join the sentences of words of same rank or order. For example, we can say that he writes and I read. Here are two sentences. We are going to add two clauses. These clauses are coordinating clauses because they have their own meanings. If we separate these two clauses they give their own meaning too. They are not dependent upon each other. They are not dependent on any other of the clause. For example, we can say he reads, he writes. This is complete in itself. We can say I read. It is complete in itself. That's why this conjunction is used to join. The conjunction and is used to join two coordinating clauses. That's why it is coordinating conjunction. We can also add two words in coordinating conjunctions. For example, we can say he was brave and honest. Here are two words, two adjectives, and we are going to add two adjectives with the help of and. We are going to add two words with the help of and. That's why this conjunction is coordinating conjunction. We use coordinating conjunctions to add two words or two coordinating clauses. See the next one, that is subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions join two or more than two sentences of different rank, not same rank. Subordinating conjunctions are used to join the sentences of different rank or order. In subordinating conjunctions, here can say subordinating conjunctions are used in complex sentences most of the time. In subordinating conjunctions, one clause is dependent on another clause. There will be one main clause and there will be one subordinating clause. That's why the conjunctions that are used to join these clauses are called the subordinating clauses, because the conjunction is dependent on the principal clause. So we use the subordinating conjunctions to join two sentences of different rank, here you can say, or different order. For example, I know the man who helped me. Here, see, I know the man, one clause. Who is the conjunction? That is subordinating conjunction. And help me is another clause. But we see that I know the man who helped me. If we say that who helped me, जिसने मेरी मदद की थी, the sentence is not complete. This is subordinating clause. It is not complete in itself. It gives its meaning when it is going to be added with the principal clause. When we join this clause with the principal clause, at that time it gives its meaning. Otherwise, it is not able to give its meaning in itself. That's why this is subordinating clause and this is principal clause, and who is used to join these two clauses. That's why this is called the subordinating conjunction. There are many conjunctions that are used as subordinating conjunction. For example, you can say who, what, where, because, if, since. These are the conjunctions which are used at the subordinating conjunctions in any sentence. Now come to the third and last one, that is correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are used Sometimes we use two or more than two words as conjunctions in a same sentence at different places. In that case, those conjunctions are called the correlative conjunctions. For example, we say both and as not only but also. We use these kinds of conjunctions in many sentences. There are many words, you can see in your book, there are many words that are used in the same way. For example, we say both and. We both love and honor him. Love and honor him. Here, both and these conjunctions are used here in this sentence. As. We can see also the example of as. He is, for example, he is as cunning as a fox. As cunning as a fox. So as are used as correlative conjunctions. Not only but also. He is not only brave but also intelligent. He is not only but also intelligent. He is not only brave but also intelligent. So we use these conjunctions with each other. That's why these conjunctions are called the correlative conjunctions. There are many conjunctions that are used as correlative conjunctions, you can see from your book. So this is the chapter related to conjunctions. So conjunctions are the words that are used to join two or more than two words, clauses or sentences. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunction and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are used to join two coordinating clauses or two words or two sentences. Subordinating conjunctions are used to join two subordinating clauses, are used to join subordinating clauses with the main clause. They are used in complex sentences. And correlative conjunctions are used. There are many conjunctions which are used in the same sentence at different places with each other. So those conjunctions are called the correlative conjunctions. So this is the chapter related to your conjunctions. Now the chapter is ended. My class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.